Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a password for accessing Overdrive if you have never done that before. You will need your library card barcode, so have that handy. So the first step is to go to the library catalog. You cannot create a password in Overdrive, but the same password is used for both your library catalog and your Overdrive account. The website, as you can see at the top of the screen, is tds-mt.iii.com. And you can also find this link on our Facebook page or in our emails. So in order to create a password, all you need to do is go over to the upper right-hand corner and click on the blue login button. Once you're here, you need to type in your barcode from your library card. It will be 13 numbers long, 14 numbers long, and it should start with 206. And now, because you've never created a password before, leave the password box empty and tap on the submit button below. It will take you to this page and it will say, please enter a new PIN. This means that you are creating a new password. As you can see, your password has to be between 6 and 12 characters, and it has to have letters and numbers. And then click on the submit button. Okay, congratulations, you just created a password for your account. If you have created a password in the past and you can't remember what it is, there is also an option where you can click forgot password, and it will send an email to the email account that is connected to your library card. If that doesn't work, a librarian can reset it for you, and once we reopen, we will be able to help you with that. Okay.